today we are going to learn about our EVS 1 subject. Okay, we had already started our lesson number 6, that is rules are for everyone. Okay, and in our last video session we had learned about the rules. Okay, what is the meaning of the rule? Okay, why are these rules made? Okay, and how it is for the betterment of our society. Okay, and we had also studied about the various kinds of rules which we follow in our day-to-day life. Okay, like traffic rules, like classroom rules, like garden rules. Okay, these are what the various kinds of rules which we follow. Playground rules also we follow, lunch break rules also we follow. Okay, these are what the various kinds of rules we follow. Okay, and today we are going to learn about page number 29 and page number 30. Okay, so students, open your page number 29 and page number 30. The new topic which we are going to learn is on page number 29 and page number 30. Okay, so open your textbook. I am going to explain you this lesson with the help of some slides. Okay, now see, first slide. First slide is of the customs and traditions. Okay, so what is that customs and traditions? Okay, now see, we follow many customs and traditions in our life. Okay, and we follow those traditions by observing our mother, father, grandparents and other relatives. Okay, like what we celebrate festivals, that is also one of the part of the tradition. Okay, and nobody will teach us how to celebrate that festivals. We observe that. Okay, we observe that from our mother, from our father, and our mother and father observe this from our grandparents. Okay, and also from other relatives. Okay, and there are several good customs and traditions in our society, and we celebrate festivals together. Okay, we welcome the guests who visit us and are hospitable to them. Okay, we welcome the guests to our houses on the occasion of various kinds of festivals. Okay, now take the example of Diwali festival. Diwali festival, we used to wear the new clothes. Our mother used to do the various kinds of sweets. Okay, then we used to go to the relatives place, or relatives also comes to our place to wish us prosperity, good health. Okay, it is what the purpose of the tradition, that we come together, we celebrate the festival. Okay, we express our love and gratitude towards each other. Okay, like the we express our love and gratitude towards each other. We also express our love and gratitude towards the animals also, and towards the nature also. Okay, and every festival is coming according to the nature, to maintain the balance of the nature. Okay, how it is? Yes, now see, the Makar Sankranti, okay, comes in a cold season. Okay, where we need the warmth more. Okay, and in that festival we used to eat the tilgul. Okay, and tilgul gives the warmth to our health. Okay, and now see, this is the picture of the Bail Poda. Okay, here is what, here is you can see, yes, the ox here. Okay, and the man. Okay, हम क्या करते हैं, बैल को सजाते हैं, उसको खाना पीने को देते हैं, उनकी रेशम लगाते हैं. Okay, it is what we are showing the love, our love and gratitude towards the animal. Okay, students, now see. Now see, the value of non-violence and peace have been a part of our social life by coming together, okay, by celebrating this kind of festivals. What is the purpose behind it? The purpose behind it is the value of non-violence and peace have been is becoming the part of our social life, because we celebrate festivals, we comes together, we celebrate, we share joy, we care for each other. Now see, even so, there are some traditions and customs that are not desirable. And which are those things? They are not beneficial for a society. It is harmful for a society. For example, caste distinction. Yes, द कास्ट डिस्टिंक्शन, कास्ट डिस्टेंट करना, कास्ट में भेदभाव करना, तेरी कास्ट ऊंची है, तेरी कास्ट नीची है, ये डिस्टिंक्शन करना, भेदभाव करना, ये क्या है, अच्छा नहीं है. वी शुड treat everyone at a equal basis. It is the one of the basic of the rule. Okay, and because of this a divide has created in the society. Everyone will going to live with their caste only. No one will going to allow anyone else out of their caste. For example, Muslim will have one group, the Christian will have one group, the Hindus will have one group. It is because of the caste distinction. Okay, and it has given rise to inequality. Okay, it has everyone will feel the inequality amongst the society. Okay, सबको क्या लगेगा, हम क्या है, इक्वल नहीं है, इनइक्वल है. ओके, इट इज़ व्हाट, इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द कास्ट डिस्टिंक्शन. ओके, इट इज़ व्हाट द कास्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. ओके, जाति भेद, इसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड इज अबाउट द अनटचेबिलिटी. ओके, हियर यू कैन सी वन पर्सन इज giving the water to the thirsty person. Okay, and how it is giving the water to thirsty person, by maintaining some distance. It is what the untouchability. It is what the untouchability. Untouchability was an inhuman and a unjust custom, and Constitution of Independent India abolished the custom of untouchability. Means what, in our ancient time. Okay, we have seen everywhere this kind of untouchability. Okay, but now after the Constitution of Independent India, this custom of untouchability is totally abolished, is totally banned now. Okay, now see, many times law have to be made to abolish unjust customs. Unjust customs means what, the customs which are not good for the society, which are not for the betterment of the society, and which create the bias in the society. Okay, this is now abolished. Okay, and in our country the customs like sati. Okay, here you can see the custom like sati. मतलब क्या कि अगर पति मरता है तो औरत को भी क्या करना पड़ता है, वही चिता पे अपनी जान न्यौछावर करनी पड़ती है. इट इज़ व्हाट द कस्टम लाइक सती. ओके, एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट गुड फॉर द वुमेन्स. ओके, एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो एबॉलिश नाउ, इट इज़ ऑल्सो बैन नाउ. ओके, एंड अभी हमें वहाँ पे ऐसा दिखाई देता है सती वगैरह, तो वो क्या होती है, वो लोगों को पनिशमेंट मिलती है. दे आर लायबल फॉर द पनिशमेंट नाउ. ओके, एंड सेम लाइक चाइल्ड मैरिजेस. चाइल्ड मैरिजेस, हियर यू कैन सी the small girls and the boys are getting married. Okay, it is in our ancient time. There were the period where child used to get married. Okay, and this custom is also abolished by making the law that what law that it should be banned. Okay, it is totally banned now. Okay, the law that banned the use of magic for cheating people. Okay, see, it is the person we used to call them sadhu. Okay, what they used to do, they used to cheat the people, they used to take the money from the people and they used to cheat the people. Okay, कि बीमार लोग उनके पास जाते हैं, वो उनके पास से पैसे लेते हैं, कोई जादू का मंत्र बोलते हैं, वो उनको ठीक करने की कोशिश, वो उनको ठीक करने के लिए होती है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है. इट इज़ व्हाट द चीटिंग विद द पीपल. एंड दिस लॉ, विच लॉ, द लॉ that is also banned for cheating people. Okay, who first enacted, which is first enacted where, in the Maharashtra. Okay, and also like receiving dowry. Okay, receiving dowry means what, कि पहले के ज़माने में जब शादी होती थी ना, तो वो टाइम पे क्या होता था, लोगों को क्या करना पड़ता था, लड़की को दहेज में बहुत सारा पैसा देना पड़ता था, सोना देना पड़ता था, तभी लड़की की शादी होती थी. ओके, बट ये कस्टम भी क्या किया है, अभी क्या किया है, बैन किया है. जब अगर हमें पता चला कि कोई लोग डाउरी ले रहे हैं, डाउरी लेना मतलब क्या करना, दहेज लेना, तब उन्हें क्या मिलती है, वो लोग जेल में जाते हैं, उन्हें क्या मिलती है, उसकी पनिशमेंट मिलती है. ओके, सो दिस काइंड ऑफ कस्टम्स. ओके, दिस काइंड ऑफ कस्टम्स अभी क्या हो गए, पूरे क्या हो गए, बैंड हो गए. वाई, बिकॉज दिस इज फॉर द not betterment of a society. The customs like superstitions, child marriage, then the child labor, okay, and the illiteracy, these all kinds of things now totally abolished from the country like India. Why? Because it was not for the betterment of the India, and for the progressive country, for the progressive India, we should not follow this kind of customs, okay. Why? Because it is not for the good for the society, it will harm the society, okay. Understood, student? So today we had studied about this kind of improved rules, okay. How the improvement there in the rules, okay. How the rule is there for the betterment of the society, okay students. So now on this topic, whatever content I taught you right now, okay, I'm going to send you the exercise of the lesson, okay. You have to solve this, okay, and also you revise the what we have learned, okay, in this whole lesson, okay. You also revise that thing, okay. Now the very small part of the lesson is remain, that is two paragraph of the lesson that we take tomorrow, okay students. Goodbye, take care, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.